Shemai pawb, Llywelyn Bendragon, brenin y braith yn ei dwi, roedd yn braf I siarad efo chi heddiw. Hello, I am Llywelyn Pendragon, one and true King of the Britons, according to the blood, according to the British laws on succession to kingship, according to the titles and shields, coats of arms, and according to the true British national flag, said to be the most ancient in all of Europe. I reckon that might sound quite strange to you, being that you have been presented with a false version of British history up until now, which is why I wanted to create this video series for you to highlight their inconsistencies, their fallacies, and their frauds to you, and restore you to your rightful place. Perhaps you believe that the Union Jack is the British flag, when in truth, a Tregoch is the one and true British national flag. Perhaps you believe that the English law is the British law, when in truth the most famous English jurists have stated that the common laws of England are based solely upon the British. Perhaps you believe that the Windsors are a British royal family, when in truth they descend directly from the Germanic houses of Hanover, Saxe-Coburg, Gotha, Mountbatten. Windsor is not even their true surname. It's a name that they adopted to appear more British, a name that they adopted to appear less Germanic. According to the British laws in succession to kingship, the British monarch must come from a direct male line from the first king of Britons, Brutus. When England imported a German dynasty, they didn't like this inconvenient fact, and so they worked to erase and discredit our history. But today, thanks to scientific evidence, DNA, modern archaeology, the true version of British history has been vindicated, and the English version of British history has been refuted. Join me in this video series as we turn British history on its head and restore our people to their rightful place in history. I look forward to seeing you. Gwilym Tro.